and liftoff.
This morning, NASA and SpaceX gearing up for liftoff to launch the critical mission that will eventually bring 2 astronauts back to Earth from the International Space Station.
All of our missions have unique challenges, and this one I think will be memorable for a lot of us.
Astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sonny Williams flew to the ISS aboard Boeing's troubled Starliner back in June, their 8-day mission turning into 8 months. The spacecraft suffering a series of helium leaks and thruster problems, NASA deciding it was ultimately too risky to fly them home. The 2 now returning in February on SpaceX's Crew-9.
Safety's been our top priority from the get-go, so we treat each one with the same level of safety evaluation and concerns, which is really rigorous. Certainly their first time flying in a SpaceX vehicle.
The Crew-9 spacecraft was set to carry 4 astronauts to the ISS for a routine science mission. Now the capsule is going up with 2 empty seats, now reserved for Butch and Sonny's return. NASA also releasing these images of the emergency seating built on the space station to put on a Crew-9 if the astronauts have to evacuate from the space station if there is a catastrophic event or an extreme medical emergency.
I'll just say that the International Space Station is ready and excited to receive the vehicle and its crew. We are looking forward to the docking.